One of my favorite songs, Jazzy Joe. We have a jazz style right here. And one thing to note is after playing C, 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 E, remember to hold that high note down. We're only gonna play the E once and hold the other down. Okay, follow me. Repeat to the beginning. Let's start off with the right hand. I'm starting on middle C. C. Play, hold. Play, hold. Play, hold. Hold, 2, 3, 4, repeat. Hold. Play, hold. Play, hold. Play, hold, 2, 3, 4. Skipping up, hold. Up. Hold. 2, 3, 4. With left hand, here we are, chord C or chord 1, C, E, and G. Hold it together for me. 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, chord 5, 7, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and repeat. 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's get ready. We're going to play a broken C chord. C, skip, and C, hold, skip, up, and to the last line.